What's happening, fellow Diablo fans? Ryan McCaffrey with IGN, and Diablo 3 has finally arrived on the Nintendo Switch after many, many rumors, a lot of speculation. Here it is. To commemorate, Blizzard and Nintendo have teamed up on a special edition Switch console here, marked with plenty of Diablo 3 art. Let's take a look at it and see what's in here. Now, I'm going to say, first off, I'm a little disappointed in this special edition. First of all, there's no deal to be had. It's $360, same price as the console with the game separately. But here's what you get. So you've got a regular old Switch, gray Joy-Cons. You do have a little Diablo 3 art on the back there. And then the dock itself, that's where most of your Diablo 3 art lives. You've got some fun stuff, character art, right on the front of that. And then you do get a case, at least, I guess, so there's a little bit of a deal. You're getting the, $10, $15 case thrown in with this. It's got Diablo art on the front and the Blizzard logo on the back. You get the Ganondorf armor in the game and then a download code for the game. I would have loved to have seen red and blue, health and mana, that are just a classic part of the Diablo 3 interface, the lower middle of your screen. That would have been a fun way to go, but it is what it is. Nevertheless, like I said, it's if you're a big Diablo fan, get a little subtle Diablo art on your console as well as the dock, and you get the case and of course the game as well. So there it is, Diablo 3 Special Edition Switch console. Pick it up anywhere consoles are sold. And for more on Diablo 3, don't miss, I happened to review Diablo 3 for Switch earlier last week on IGN. Check that out. And for more things in the world of both Diablo and Nintendo, you're already in the right place right here at IGN.